So when you talk about budget friendly phone, then this Realme C35 is one of the best choice for you. So in this video we are going to unbox this phone in front of you guys and tell you everything about this Realme C35. So just keep watching the video. If you want a budget friendly phone, then this video will help you a lot. And now let's begin the video and let's unbox this phone. Let's begin. So guys, here we have the phone. You can see over here, and this is the box of Realme C35. It is a very fantastic box with yellow color. And now let's open the box. Okay, before I open this, let me show you the box. Here we have the branding of Realme C35. On this side we have Realme, and here something is written. And then we have C35, and here we have some features, like we have 5000 mAh battery, we have 50 MP camera, and then we have 8.1 mm ultra slim design. And then here we have 16.7-inch display. So it is a very budget friendly phone. If you want a phone, budget friendly phone, then this is very good for you. So I recommend you to buy it. So now let's unbox it. And before I unbox it, let me tell you that I have already opened the box. So I'm again unboxing this in front of you. So when you open the box, something like this, then here this is the box. Let me put this over here. You'll get this thing here. You'll get this thing. Let me this, and then you can see over here. So in this box you'll find some paper, some manual user guide. Here we have, so you can read it if you want. If you don't, then still fine. There are a lot of paper in this. So you can see these are the papers that you'll get with the phone. Let me put these away, and let's talk about the main thing, this Realme C35. You can see the phone is very cool. So let me show you the phone. This is the phone. Let me put the phone over here right now, and inside the box we have a very big charger, and it is a little bit heavy charger, but it's good, fantastic, you can see. And then we have the cable to charge the phone over here inside the box. So you'll get these two things when you buy the phone. Let's put this over here, and then we don't have anything. The box is empty. So now let's see the phone. Here we have the phone, the main thing. You can see the design is very good, and so the back panel is so shiny, so it's very good. And the front, you can see it is something like this. So it's very good phone to buy and very budget friendly. We have two cameras, and you can see the shining. Let's open the phone, and on this side we have volume button. We have the SIM, where you can put your SIM, and then here we have this microphone, this port, and then charging port, and then we have this speakers, and then here we have the power button, and on the back we have camera. So it's very good. Let's open the phone. Let me turn down some brightness. You can see the phone, the display is very good. So I have already booted the phone. You can see, and it is a very nice phone. You'll get some default apps. If you don't want to use them, then you can install the app. And here I'm gonna just connect with internet. Let's connect this with the internet. I can put the password. So right now I don't know the password of my internet. So you can see the phone is very good and fantastic phone we have. So if you want a budget friendly phone, then this realme C35 is very good for you. And I can also show you the camera quality. You can see the camera is very good, you can see that. And here are some sample photos that I captured with this phone. And the phone is very amazing. You can also capture video, photo. The front camera is also good. Let me show you the front camera. Right now you can see I'm recording, so it's very fantastic thing. And here we also have the back camera, so it's very good. And so that's it. So guys, I hope that you have understood everything about this realme C35. If you want more unboxing videos like this one, then this channel is for you. Just hit that red button and tap on the bell icon to get more videos like this one. And that's it. See you soon. Peace.